In the previous video segments, we established that compassion is genuine sympathy for the hardship, stress, or pain of another and a desire to ease it. With that said, what are some of the benefits of creating a culture of compassion in the workplace? Well, studies indicate that when there is a culture of compassion, customers feel their issues are resolved quicker and more efficiently. And demonstrating compassion also reduces the stress and anxiety of others, it increases self-worth, and it creates positive emotions. And as for employees, when we have a culture of compassion, there's increased commitment to the organization, lower levels of absenteeism, greater teamwork, and ultimately lower levels of burnout. Remember, there are many ways to demonstrate compassion, but what's most important is that it genuinely comes from the heart.